Stoichiometric calculations means the calculations based on balanced chemical equations. Before solving any numerical according to stoichiometric calculations, first of all you have to remember you need a balanced equation. A balanced chemical equation is called stoichiometric equation. Now let us get into the stoichiometric calculations. We can classify the stoichiometric calculations into mass-mass relationships, mass-volume relationships, volume-volume relationships, and mass-energy relationships also. So let's take a simple example related to mass-mass relationships. Mass relationships means mass of the compound will be given to you, and they are going to ask you mass of another compound which is participating in the reaction or which is formed in the reaction. So one mass will be given, another mass they are going to ask you. See a simple question here. Find the mass of carbon dioxide formed when half mole, that is 50 gram of limestone is heated. When limestone is there, they can use the word calcination because heating of carbonate salts in the absence of oxygen is, in the presence of oxygen is called calcination. So here carbon dioxide mass they are asking, and they are providing you here the mass of limestone. So mass is given and mass is asked. So this type of relations are called mass relationships. First of all, we have to write a balanced chemical equation. See here, this is already balanced. CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. Calcium carbonate, it's a solid, gives rise to calcium oxide solid plus carbon dioxide, this is a gas. On the arrow we have to keep a delta. Delta means heating. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate molecular mass we have to write. 1 mole means 100 grams of calcium carbonate will give you 1 mole of carbon dioxide according to balanced equation. And 1 mole carbon dioxide means that is 44 grams. So it is very clear from this equation that 100 grams of CaCO3 will give you 44 grams of carbon dioxide. When 100 grams of CaCO3 gives you 44 grams of carbon dioxide, how much of carbon dioxide will be obtained by heating 50 grams? It's a simple numerical. 50 into 44 by 100, that is 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Like this, when you are writing a equation, that is called as a stoichiometric equation. And without using stoichiometric equation, you should not go for stoichiometric calculations. You have to balance the equations first. Okay, so here mass is given and mass is also. This type of relations are called mass relationships. Whenever mass relationships are given, we have to write number of moles and the molecular mass. Here we have to write number of moles and molecular mass. For example, if 2 moles are participating or 2 moles are forming, we have to multiply the mass with 2. If 2.5 moles you are getting, multiply with 2.5 like that. So it's a simple example. Try this. Okay.